drinking milk.
बस बस
I just get. Must be hold, no?
yeah
If not hold, but sometimes they drink by certain no
बस
more. Good. Now he drink already. First this one. First. Now you will go outside now. I go already. Now it's still two here. Uh, First this one he drink milk already. They are three he goats. And this their mother, because their mother is no enough milk, so that's why this black they give milk. My husband need them to drink from that black. Next this one, he drink already other one. This for breakfast for them. Now next this one here. Now they go already outside. Satke, he going by self.
wait
No, no, no.
हाँ ना
Mashallah. Now this their mother.
बस 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 बस
Now last this three. They drink already this one. Now they are how many days now they are there? Last two. Now they are 13 days because she delivered last April 2. Yan.
बस है
They are three. This the smallest one. And they are three hay goats. And now they are last their mother delivered April 2. So today is April 15. Now so how many days? Mashallah, but they are big now. No? This their breakfast to drink milk. Then again there afternoon, what time again they will drink milk?
12 o'clock
12 o'clock. Then again
6 o'clock
6 o'clock. Na? 3 times they will drink in one day. Mm. These two brown he goats also this one, and this their mother. She delivered last January. There January 5 na? Yeah, January 5. So now they are January, February, March, April. So now they are 3 months and 10 days. And this one, she delivered also last January 7. And this one, this is baby girl. They are two but died. One is die boy. So this girl. And this one last April to, and their mother is there. Now they drink milk. Now their mother is there. Ah, yan. And these two bakra also he goats, and this their mother also. There is she delivered last May, no, Darna? Last May. Last May now. Last May 5. Last May 5. So now they are coming 1 year coming May 5, but mashallah they are growing very fast. So inshallah coming uh, Eid, we have to sacrifice this one bakra here. Inshallah. So these are all our goats. They are 11. Now time check is 8:20 a.m. Now they are eating their breakfast also there with their salt. Yan yung salt nila. Dinadila-dilaan nila yung salt. Now these babies, they already drink milk, so now they are full. And this also is she's very big now. This one bakri girl. Yan, only 3 months and 10 days. And also these two browns here. They're hay goats. Their mother there and mother this one. And yun. Yun yung baby niya. So after that, mga 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, my husband will bring over there in that place there. May mga damo dyan. So doon niya itatali lahat. Yung mga yung place dyan, yung may mga puno dyan, may damo. Yan. So akyat na ako. It's good that Langga is sleeping, so that's why I have time here to come. Yan. We have 11 goats. 3 and this one. And this one. And this one. And where is black? And where is other this one? So we have 11 goats. Now they drink by self with their mother. Yeah. Now they are 3 months and 10 days because their mother delivered last January 7. Today is April 15.